Hello everyone, my name is Pritam Das. You can call me Pritam because it's my nickname. I am 13 years old. My school name is Meghalika Model School and College. My favorite subject is English. My hobby is gardening. I want to be a teacher. That's all about myself.
Okay, এবার next you. Okay, what's your name? Okay, so introduce about yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Afrin Akhtar. You can call me Afrin because it's my nickname. I am reading class 7. My school is Srinivas Small Eastern College. I am 13 years old. My favorite subject is English. I love reading storybooks. I want to be a doctor. My hobby is gardening. That's all about myself.
Okay. About first. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Hafsa.
What's your school name?
My school name is Srinivas Small School and College.
How old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Manchester.
Where are you live now?
I'm live Gardata in
What's your favorite hobby?
My hobby is gardening.
What's your ambition?
I'm a student.
What's your aim in life?
I want to be a doctor.
So, do you want to ask anything to me?
What's your name?
My name is Rohit Singh.
Where are you from, Ravi?
I'm from Shiva.
Where do you live?
I live in Mohammadpur and Raigad.
What's your profession?
I am a student.
What's your school name?
My school name is Melodious Model School and College.
What class do you study?
Okay, that was a nice conversation and thanks everyone for coming here. So you may take seat.
সবাই একটা ক্লাপ দাও।